Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the grammar as we finished our English Unit 1. So we are going to go with grammar. Chapter number 2, the subject and the predicate. Chapter number 2, subject and predicate. What is the subject and what is the predicate? We are going to study in detail over here. A sentence is made up of two parts, that is subject and predicate. The part which tells us about the person or the animal doing the action is called as a subject. That means a sentence is made of two parts, that is subject as well as predicate. And the part which is telling us about the person or the animal is doing some action is called the subject. And the part that speaks about the subject is called as a predicate. For example, Anu is going to the market. So, who is going to the market? Anu. Anu is your subject. And is going to the market is your predicate. Ravi goes for morning walks. Who goes for morning walks every day? Ravi. Ravi is your subject. Goes for morning walks every day is your predicate. The highlighted parts of these sentences speak about Anu and Ravi. The rest of the sentence tells us what Anu and Ravi are doing. The predicate contains the verb. The subject and the predicate contains one or more words. Now the predicate contains more than one or more than one word. Okay, for example, out went the visitors. Now this sentence is not in a proper sentence. So if you rearrange the sentence in proper way, it is the visitors went out. So who went out? The visitors. The visitors is your subject as well as went out is your predicate. If you rearrange the words of the example, you get the visitors went out. Here again the subject is the visitors and the predicate is went out. The predicate may consist of a verb followed by another noun or a pronoun. For example, now over here we are going to study about the object. What is an object? The person, the animal or the thing that receives the action of the subject is called as the object. That means the person, the animal or the thing which is getting some action or receiving some action from the subject of the subject is called as a object. Rohan kicked the football. What was kicked? The football. The football is your object. The dog bit the postman. Who was bitten? The postman. So the postman is your object. Mahima opened the door. What was opened? The door. The door is your object. The boys hurled stones. What was hurled? Stones. Stones is your, again, object. So here the predicate may consist of a verb followed by another noun or a pronoun. Okay. Here we can identify the object in a sentence by asking the questions what or who. Rohan kicked the football. What was kicked? The football. The dog bit the postman. Who was bitten? The postman. Mahima opened the door. What was opened? The door. The boys hurled stones. What was hurled? The stones. So here again, just see, there are some examples more. Maya arranged her books. What did Maya arrange? Her books. Maya is your subject. Arranged is your verb. Her books is your object. And arranged her books is your predicate. The dogs carried their wicker baskets. What did the dogs carry? That is, the answer is their wicker baskets. The dogs is your subject. Carried is your verb. The wicker baskets is the object. Carried the wicker baskets is your predicate. Here are some more examples. Subject, predicate, verb as well as object. I rang the bell. I is your subject, rang is your verb, the bell is your object. What rang? The bell. The bell is your object. My mother made a cake. Wow. What did my mother make? A cake. A cake is your object. I fly kites. What do you fly? Kites. Kites is your object. Pooja and Juhi compose poems. What do Pooja and Juhi compose? Poems. So the bell, a cake, kites, poems is your object. Now here we are going to study about the complement. A word used after the verb to complete the sense of the sentence is called as a complement. That means a word which is used after the verb. You know what is a verb? Verb are action words. To complete the sense of the sentence is called as a complement. So here, read this phrase, the children are. This is not a complete sentence, it is a phrase. So now read the sentences. The children are active. So first over there we wrote only the children are. So what are the children? Active. Active is a complement. By adding the word active, we have completed the sentence. Here the word active is called as a complement. Here there are some more examples for subject and predicate, that is verb and complement. My uncle is sick. So who is sick? My uncle. And complement, what is the complement? Sick. These boxes are new. You can write these boxes are old. These boxes are broken. That means you are giving some complement to that. The toffee was stale. So stale is your complement. The toffee was sweet. The fruit appears green. So green is your complement. How does the fruit appear? Green. You can write the fruit appears sweet. The fruit appears yellowish in color, yellow. Her brother is a pilot. Her brother is an engineer. Her brother is a postman. You can write any one complement to that. So my dear children, I've completed the chapter. Now I'll give you some worksheets. You have to solve those worksheets at home. You have to go through this and write down in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.